Hello, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Today we have a Beats Solo 3 wireless headset. The headband is broken. It broke off inside the hinge, as you can see. The first step would be to peel back this rubber lining here. Just kind of pry it up gently a little bit. Then you gently pull it around. Do not take it completely off. At the end, there's pieces that are stuck in the hinge. You need to gently remove the ends. There's two rubber pieces connected to the plastic there, as you can see, and you can clip those with a small pair of scissors. Just like that. Same thing on the other side. Now you gently pull. There's two tabs on the end that are in the hinge piece. I'm going to be very careful. Try not to rip those. If you do, it's not the end of the world. You could still use the headphones. If you gently pull it out, it should break free without any tearing. That's what it looks like. This also has a broken hinge, as you could see there. Now the next step would be to unscrew the headband from the hinges, just like this. Now remember, that hinge is broken, but we're not going to worry about that now. Right now we're just going to do the headband. The other side, that hinge is intact and looks fine. Unscrew that. The next step would be to pry off the pad piece, and that separates pretty easily. There shouldn't really be any adhesive. It clips into place. As you can see there, there's foam and it's plastic. You can use a small screwdriver or pry tool like I have here, and you just kind of separate it, pry it away a little bit. You'll hear the clicking when it comes out of place. And you kind of want to do that all the way around. It comes right out. Put that aside. Now the wire is exposed. You could see it's in the crevice in the middle, and that just pulls right out. Now the headband just separates from the hinge, just like that. And that's what it looks like. Here's the old headband. See, it's broken right there. That side's good still. This is the broken side. And here we have a replacement headband which we sell at Central Sound on our Amazon and eBay store. If you need Beats parts, click the link below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click in the description for Beats parts. Now, you want to put the headband points inside the hinge first. Then later on you'll screw them to secure them in. That's what it looks like when it's installed in there. One side. Now the other side. There you go. They should go in with ease. If you're having difficulties, there might be a piece of plastic still stuck in the hinge from the old headband. You want to make sure you clear that out. And we screwed the screws in. That's what it should look like when it's secure. Now you feed the wire into the crevice in the middle inside of the band, just like this. Now that that's completed, you put the cushion piece on, and that pretty much just snaps right into place as long as it's lined up appropriately. Just apply some pressure and squeeze all the way around. Next you add the rubber piece, and that kind of just lines up into place as well. Takes a little adjusting here and there. Then next you want to feed the end pieces into the hinge. There's those small points that kind of go into there. It might take a few attempts. It's a little tricky. But once it's in place, it's pretty sturdy. It's one side. That's what it looks like when it's done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and if you need Beats parts, please click the link in the description.